derivation, the formula derivation. One derive the formula, and the formula is derived from ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. You have a square to raised to power 1 to no power. You see, it's like descending the x squared. So this is a quadratic equation. Now this is where you start derivation from. Now this is the equation we have generally. Now we start by dividing with this coefficient with what x squared is carrying here. Not forget a cancels a. This become b over a x plus c a equals to 0. Now we've treated the complete square method. If you were in the class, if you didn't follow, just go to our YouTube page and study that. Now what we do, the coefficient of x here is b over a. So we'll take this, we'll subtract this from the sides, we'll subtract minus, we subtract c over a from both sides. Now we have a squared plus b over a x plus c over a. Subtract c over a now from sides. You subtract c over a here from here. We want this to be alone. So we have x plus b over a. X now, this one cancel this. So equals to minus c over a. Now, just like we did where we were treating a complete square method, we'll say the coefficient of x now. Coefficient of x is what? B over a. Now, the next thing is half of the coefficient of x. That's half of b over a. B over a times half. That's b over 2a. The next thing, you take the square. You square the half of the coefficient of x. That is part of this. That gives you b over 2a squared. Now you add this. You say this must be added. Must be added to sides. Now you add this to both sides. Now let's go back to the equation. Now we are adding this now to both sides of this equation. So that's x squared plus b over x to b over a. Now we say this must be added to sides. You add this plus b over 2a squared equals to minus c over a plus what we are adding to sides. We are adding to both sides, b over 2a squared. Now this is what called sides. Also pick this, and not pick this. This is what we're looking for. So x now plus b over 2a, they are both carrying square. So you open bracket and close. So then now come here, minus c over a plus b squared. That's b squared plus 2a squared will be 4a squared. That's 2 squared, that's 4. A squared, that's a squared. Now we have x plus b over 2a squared equals to, you collect the LCM of 4a squared and a, that's 4a squared. Now 4a squared, a in 4a squared, that's 4a. 4a times minus c, that's minus 4ac plus Now 4a in 4a squared, 4a squared, 4a squared, that's 1 times b, that's b squared. Now this words x. Now we take the root of both sides. We take the root of both sides. You can rearrange this. Let's rearrange first. Now the root of rearrange this is positive, so positive comes before negative. It's just a rearrangement we're doing, we will not change anything. Now you take the word. To take away the square, we bring in square root. So square root of sides, or mean sides now, mean both sides. So you bring in the square root here, you bring in the square root here. This takes away this, so we have x minus plus b over 2a equals 2. Once it's come, we carry the plus minus, so it's now plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac. Now we can take the root of 4. The root of 4 is 2. Now 2a squared, the root of 2a squared, for sure the square takes away the root, so that's a. Now we now say our x now is equals to, when you collect like terms, take this towards the across the quarter side, because minus b all over 2a plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now to take the LCM of this, you say that x is equals to the LCM of 2a is 2a. Now 2a is 1. So 1 times minus b, you have minus b plus minus root. 2a is 1. 1 times root of b squared minus 4ac. That's the almighty formula, the quadratic equation formula. So do it by trying to prove it on your own.